I don't know where the chickens are going, but they're on their way to somewhere. Going up there to scratch, I guess. That one said, well, I'll stay down here.